Good evening everyone. My name is Snehasri Mujumdar and I'm pursuing aviation course in IFA. And today I'm going to talk about aviation and aviation industry. Aviation is the greatest invention that make our journey and life so easy. It is the most efficient and fastest way to travel all around the world. We can reach our destination within few hours. That has never been before, because we used to go by bus or by sea or anything that was so much time taking. Although it is helping us with trade, tourism and businesses. And the main thing is it begins in 1903 by Wright brothers, who has invented the first aircraft. Since then aviation is growing and helping our life convenient. Move to the second thing is aviation help us to various things. It is creating lots of job opportunities, like pilots and crew members, engineers and other professionals. It is also providing us the cargo flights that usually carries lots of essentials like medicine, food, etc. It has also help us with humanitarian aid, like disaster or any floods, and sometime in rescue operation as well. Moreover, aviation industry includes aircrafts, airlines and airports. Those are the main job and offices that are created already for us. And looking forward to the future, aviation is growing and giving better to green opportunities, like by creating eco-friendly aircrafts and sustainable fuel to prevent the pollution. And in conclusion, I would say that aviation is not only about travel, but also it grows, like it helps us to grow, and it connects the whole world. That's it. Thank you.